I'm blind now.
Okay.
I used to be able to see. I'm blind, Your Honor. I used to be able to see. The doctor stole my retinas and cornea from the hospital from me. I am a blind person now.
So the hearing today is to tell you what you are being charged with and what the potential penalty is. Okay, so I'm going to be asking you if you understand the charge.
Who are you? Who are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. So I am the magistrate. My name is Hilary Brayley. So Magistrate Brayley, please. Okay. So I'm going to be telling you what the charge is and what the potential penalty is. And I understand that you may not agree with it, but I am going to ask if you understand what you're being charged with. Okay. Okay. Thank you. And then, I'll be setting you for another court date in front of the judge, and you'll have a chance to talk to the public defender's office before then, all right? Okay, so let me see what we've got here. This is a misdemeanor complaint that charges that on or about June 19th of 2024, so last year, at 2970 Washtenaw Avenue, you did enter upon the lands or premises of another, that being that address, without lawful authority. Okay, sir. So at this point, I'm just telling you what the charge is, okay? So just if you can let me read this charge off. You entered upon the land.
What is the date on that? April, September, what?
It says on June 19th of 2024 is when this occurred. Okay. So, and it's saying that you entered upon the lands or premises of another without lawful authority after having been forbidden to do so by the owner, occupant, or the agent or servant of either.
Who is the officer?
Okay,
Who is the officer?
Sir.
Who's the officer who knows the complaint?
Okay, if I can't finish reading this to you, I'm gonna have to mute you for a minute, okay? So let me get through it, please. So, or you did remain, neglect, or refuse to depart from the land or premises of another without lawful authority upon being notified to depart therefrom by the owner, occupant, or agent or servant of either. This is otherwise known as trespass. So, do you understand the charge?
Yes.
Okay. It is a misdemeanor. It's a misdemeanor. It has a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail, a $100 fine plus court costs or both. Do you understand? Okay. Do you understand that potential penalty?
No contest, bench trial.
Okay.
No contest.
Okay. Do you understand the potential penalty here? Up to 90 days in jail or a $100 fine. Okay. And we do have someone here from the public defender's office. So.
Whatever you wish. Just let me know.
Okay.
Mr. Moore, I can speak for you. Everything you're saying, we got it. I got it. Okay. Just hold on one second.
Okay. So.
I'm blind now.
Okay.
I used to be able to see. I'm blind, Your Honor. I used to be able to see. The doctor stole my retinas and cornea from the hospital from me. I am a blind person now. At one time, I could see as clear as you could.
So,
any human being that was born.
Okay, Mr. Moore. So I'm going to tell you your rights. Okay, we've got a couple more steps to get through, and then we'll be done. Okay, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say out loud or in writing can be used against you in court. You have the right to be presumed innocent beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by judge or by jury. You have the right to be represented by an attorney during all stages of these court proceedings, that is before, during, and after trial. You are not required to disclose citizenship status to the court, but you have the right to consult with an attorney to see if this case would have any effect on your citizenship status. But if that last part doesn't apply to you, then don't worry about it. So, do you have any questions about your rights?
No, I want to.
Okay. Okay, and I hear you. Thank you. So, Attorney Moten, do you wish to address the plea and the bond?
Yes, Mr. Moore will stand mute to the charges. We request a not guilty plea be entered and a personal bond ordered. We did not get to meet this morning. However, I am aware that he has nominal bonds in the 15th district cases. We are requesting a personal bond and a pretrial. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Moore, to be clear, I am aware that you are requesting
My
a
mother
bench
doesn't
trial.
live at that address. I have no reason to be at Camelot property. I don't live there. My mother don't live there no longer. She lives in Canton, Michigan now.
Okay,
She doesn't live in Ypsilanti no longer. I don't live in Ypsilanti no longer.
okay.
I live in Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Okay.
Gold digger. Just want somebody with some money. How are you supposed to find that? You still got to treat them though.
What else?
That's all right. I like your style too.
Thank you.
Can I have some food, please?
Sorry, what
Someone
was that?
ate breakfast you served me was eaten off of. You served me a breakfast that somebody ate. You served me some breakfast that somebody didn't finish. You served me a breakfast somebody didn't finish, officer.
So. I ain't mad at you all my list. I worry about the wrong shit. I'm sure I got some shit to take care of over there. I worry about me.
What time is lunch gonna be served and what time is it?
Attorney Moten?
I didn't get lunch yet.
Yes.
It's the white man.
And you said that you haven't had a conversation with Mr. Moore yet, correct?
No, I haven't.
The court is going to recommend that you have a conversation with him and see if it's needed to have a,
Ma'am,
competency
I might
evaluation.
have.
Okay, yes, we are planning to do that.
I do go to CMH Monday through Friday. They come to my apartment, but they told me I can't. I'm taking care
I
of
would
that.
just stop there, Mr. Moore. We understand. Thank you.
Okay, yes, and I do, yeah, see the contact information for CMH here. So at this time, the court, okay,
I have my options.
okay. The court is setting a pretrial conference date that will be May 7th, 2025. It will be at 9 in the morning over Zoom in front of Judge Washington. The court will set bond with the following conditions. You are not to use or possess alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. You are not to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. You are not to go to that address where the alleged incident occurred, that being 2970 Washtenaw. You are not to engage in any sort of criminal activity whatsoever. And you are to appear for any and all dates set for you by the court. The next one, as I said, being May 7th.
I ask you a question. My mom, did she lie and say that she moved to Canton and she still lives at that address? But my
Okay,
mom
so
still lives at that address?
I have not
I
talked to your
don't
mom.
know where my
Okay,
mom lives at. I don't know if my mom, where my mom lives. That's my mother's address. I was living there. She put me out 10 years ago. I have been confused in days. I have been exploited and neglected. The only people that help me is community mental health. They feed and clothe me. They are my new parent. I'm a ward of the state, man. And this is what's going on in this county.
Okay. At this time, the court is going to set a personal recognizance bond in this matter. Attorney Moten, do you have anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Moore, you heard your bond conditions. Do you have any questions about your bond conditions?
No, man.
Okay, so you're not to go to that address. You're also, if you're talking to CMH every day, you're to comply with what they tell you, okay?
I know.
Okay, well, good. And I am going to say that these conditions are going to be entered into the law enforcement information network, so they will be readily accessible to any police officers you may come into contact with.
I don't like cops. They just like
Okay,
playing with me because
sir, I'm just
fun
letting you
with
know.
This is
Okay.
fun and entertainment for them. It's a big spectacle.
Okay, so sir, I am going to mute you at this time. Thank you.
You're so good at this. Okay.
So, Attorney Moten,
Yes.
as I stated, he is getting a PR just due to the nature of the charge, the age and everything, but I would suggest the competency referral, and if you can let the court know that it's happening.
Okay.
Thank you.